Hi guys, I'm G Crasher, and today I will show you guys a small comparison between the coming Furious LR-1000 receiver, and I show you how to bind it with the TARANIS transmitter. Furthermore, the flight control I'm gonna use is Radiance, so I show you how to connect them together. So first, let's start with some small comparison. As you can see here, this is the LR-1000 1000 receiver, and this is the XSR receiver. As you can see, that the size of the LR-1000 is significantly smaller than the XSR 1000. So yep, so if I put it like this, you can see how small it is. Furthermore, you can see how much it's thinner than the XSR of Sky. However, as you can see here, that the LR-1000 only have one antenna, and the XSR have two antenna. But according to Furious, they say that the range of the LR-1000 is up to 1 kilometer. So furthermore, the LR-1000 can use telemetry as well and S-bus. So now let me show you the map of how to connect the LR-1000 to the Radiance. So this is the map of connecting the LR-1000 to the Radiance flight controller of Furious. So on these LR-1000 we will have four soldering pad. The first one is telemetry, S-bus, 5V and ground. So on Radiance you will see that it has TX3, RX2, 5V and ground. You can find it easily on the top of the flight controller. So as you can see here, I already show some wire to the pad. So yep, these are ground, 5V, RX2 and TX3. So this is exactly what I showed here. So it's pretty simple that for the telemetry from the L1000 you need to connect to TX3, S-bus to RX2, 5V to 5V and ground to ground. It's really simple, right? Alright, now let's start to do it. I will show you guys how to bind the LR-1000 to TARANIS X90 Plus. So first you have to create another model, but I already got one model here. I already created just 5 minutes ago. Then I go to menu, then I hit page, so I hit plus to go to the bottom. So for the mode you have to set to D8, and for the channel range you have to set to channel 1 to 8, and then leave it there. Don't click bind yet. So now we have to do something on the receiver. So now on the LR-1000 receiver, as you can see, here is the little binding button we got there, and there's the LED here. So what we have to do now, we have to press and hold this button while we plug the batteries on, and we have to wait until this green LED turn on to be solid. And alright, we do it now to show you. As you can see, the green LED already turned solid. Alright, now we let it go and leave it there. Okay, so back on the TARANIS. So now we hit the bind button. So after we hit this bind button, this green LED is supposed to turn off. That means that the binding has been successful. So now you can hear the beep. Now the LED turns off already, so the bind is already a success. Alright, now we just need to exit the binding mode, power it off, and power it on again. Alright, now we already bonded. So now let's go to BETAFLIGHT. I'll show you how to configure it on there. Alright, so now I'll show you guys how to configure the LR-1000 on BETAFLIGHT. So first we have to connect your quad into BETAFLIGHT. Next we have to go to the port tab, and because before we connect the LR-1000 to the RX2 of the of the flight controller. That's why at the UR2 we have to turn on 0RX, and the telemetry we connect to TX3. So on the UR3 we have to turn on the Airflow Sky on telemetries, and then hit save and reboot. Next we go to configuration tab, scroll down. At the receiver mode we have to choose RX serial, and at the serial receiver provider we have to choose S-Bus. Scroll down to the bottom, then we have to turn on telemetry to get the telemetry output, then hit save and reboot one more time. Then finally we go to CLI. So here we have to type on a command, which is set telemetry telemetry underscore inversion equal on. Then save, enter. So your FC should be rebooting. Now connect again. Alright, now everything is done. Let's try to plug the batteries into the quad to see if the receiver is working now. And go to receiver type. I'm moving the stick now, so yep, it shows that the receiver is working fine. And the final step, we have to get back to the TARANIS transmitter and discover the new sensors on the telemetry tab to find the sensors for telemetry. After that we're able to use the telemetry on the TARANIS. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you Furious for sending me the LR-1000. See you next time. Bye.